Hi everyone, in this video I'm thrilled to introduce our VIP project to you all along with my teammates. Our project is called Machine Learning Based Vegetarian Classifier. Our project aims to employ methods from machine learning to assist the study of the regional distribution and the development of Chinese vegetarian restaurants. Particularly, we're trying to build efficient classifiers that could quickly classify restaurants into vegetarian restaurants and non-vegetarian restaurants, based on data from mainstream Chinese food delivery and customer reviews platforms. Our project is significant in two ways. Firstly, scholars could use the development and regional distribution of vegetarian restaurants to analyze the vegetarian trends in China. Secondly, vegetarian customers could easily find their go-to restaurants without much efforts with our models.
At present, our project can be divided into three major tasks. First, collect vegetarian and non-vegetarian restaurant data. Next, build models to classify different restaurants. Then visualize our results. So for the first part, data collection, our major data sources are the Chinese food delivery apps, such as Ele.me, Meituan, and Dianping, and the data are scraped directly from the websites. For example, the two screenshots are from Meituan. They contain information about the names of the recommended dishes and the customer reviews. So a part of our job is to write web crawlers to scrape the text data.
For our models, we use the technique of natural language processing. This technique allows us to transform natural languages such as Chinese or English into machine languages, which can then be computed and analyzed by using various algorithms. Let us take a closer look at this process. For example, if we want to transform a dish name into machine language, we firstly need to segment this word into different semantic parts. And for each of the semantic parts, we project themselves to numerical values based on their frequency of appearance and their location in the sentences. As of now, we have built three separate models based on different data, and we have achieved different accuracies for each of them. For classifiers based on restaurant names and restaurant reviews, roughly 80% of the restaurants could be correctly classified. And for the classifier based on recommended dishes, almost 95% of the restaurants in our dataset could be correctly classified.
For the visualization component of our project, we have explored several methods and tools. The first is the Folium package, and here's an example of a choropleth map and another map with markers generated using the package. We also explored the Plotly and Dash packages in Python, and we are currently utilizing Tableau, which is a very easy to use and powerful tool for visualizing datasets. It allows the addition of information as well as tooltips by just using the drag and drop feature. We will also be working on connecting the results generated by this tool to our application using the TabPy package.
Our future goals for the team. As we collect more and more reliable data, our main goal is to create choropleth maps. It is a type of thematic map where a set of predefined areas is colored in proportion to a statistical variable that represents an aggregate summary of a geographic characteristic within each area, such as population density. These maps provide an easy way to visualize how a variable varies across a geographic area or show the level of variability within the region, as shown in the image on the slide. It would be a great tool to navigate finding restaurants on the spectrum of vegetarianism in a given city, state, or even country. Customizations can be provided on what variable is visualized through a drop-down of myriad combinations.
Apart from that, our future goals also include incorporating data from more sources such as Chinese vegetarian organizations. And for our models, we intend to try different NLP models as well as different embedding methods such as BERT in order to attain higher accuracies. This project will remain a long-term project, and we will work on putting everything that we have been doing together, and we hope to put this project into use in real life in the future. We hope to bring changes and convenience to the Chinese vegetarian community. which would in turn contribute to the world's effort to cut its carbon emission. Finally, thank you for your time. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation.